Hello, welcome to Dubai Today News. The closing ceremony of the 2025 Dubai World Cup at Maiden Racecourse amazed over 65,000 spectators with a record-breaking drone and fireworks display. Featuring 5,983 drones, the show set a new Guinness World Record for the largest flying LED screen, and also broke previous records for the largest aerial trophy and logo. The drones formed 3D sky sculptures of UAE leaders, galloping horses, and poetic messages, celebrating the nation's rich equestrian heritage. The emotional and visually stunning show concluded with a tribute and a promise: see you next year. 30th anniversary of Dubai World Cup. Are you aware of your rights as a consumer in Dubai? If you've purchased a defective product, been denied a refund, overcharged unexpectedly, or received unwanted sales calls, you're not alone, and you don't have to stay silent. Dubai's Department of Economy and Tourism is actively protecting consumer rights through its official Consumer Rights Initiative. You can file a complaint for issues like faulty products, refund disputes, unfair pricing, warranty problems, and more. To proceed, make sure you have a valid receipt from a business licensed in Dubai, and always try resolving the matter directly with the company first. Then, head to the official website, Gov, and submit your complaint. A debt representative will contact you within 2 working days to verify the issue. If valid, mediation with the business will begin, and once a settlement is reached, both parties will be officially notified via SMS and email. Debt will also follow up to ensure the agreement is fulfilled. The whole process typically takes between 4 to 10 working days. So remember, your voice matters, and in Dubai, consumer fairness is a priority. Business activity in the UAE's non-oil private sector showed signs of slowing in March, according to the latest data from S&P Global. The seasonally adjusted Purchasing Managers Index dropped to 54.0 in March from 55.0 in February, marking the slowest pace of growth since last September. New order growth also declined for the 3rd straight month, falling to 56.3, its lowest reading since October. David Owen, senior economist at S&P Global Market Intelligence, noted that some firms could be encountering challenges in meeting their sales targets. Despite this, companies increased input purchases at the fastest pace since July 2019 in an effort to clear backlogs. However, employment growth weakened to its lowest level in nearly 3 years, with firms struggling to recruit suitable candidates. Dubai's non-oil private sector followed a similar trend. The city's PMI dropped to a 5-month low of 53.2 in March, compared to 54.3 in February. New orders remained strong but rose at a slower pace, prompting a rare reduction in employment. Still, UAE businesses remain confident about the future, bolstered by robust pipelines and national infrastructure development plans. The UAE government has taken a significant step to clarify corporate tax rules for foreign investors. The Ministry of Finance has issued Cabinet Decision No. 35 of 2025, introducing new nexus criteria for non-resident juridical persons investing in qualifying investment funds and real estate investment trusts. Under the decision, a taxable nexus is established if these funds fail to distribute at least 80% of their income within 9 months of the end of the financial year, or if they do not meet ownership diversity conditions. However, investors exclusively investing in QIFs and rights outside of those scenarios will not be subject to taxation in the UAE. The move is seen as a measure to reduce compliance burdens and reinforce the UAE's attractive and investor-friendly business climate. Saudi Arabia's non-oil economy is on track for solid growth, according to a new report by PwC Middle East. Driven by mega projects like the Riyadh Metro and the Red Sea tourism development, the kingdom's non-oil sector is expected to grow by 4.4% in 2025. In the first half of 2024, the sector grew by 3.8% year-on-year, with the private sector expanding by 4.2%. The trade and hospitality sector led the way with 6.4% growth, followed by transport, communications, and financial services. These figures align closely with the IMF's 2024 non-oil growth forecast of 3.5%. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia has raised its 2030 renewable energy target from 58.7 gigawatts to 100,130 gigawatts, aiming to generate at least 50% of its electricity from renewables. The country is actively pursuing carbon neutrality by 2060 through clean energy and electrification strategies. Looking ahead, a Vision 2040 or 2050 plan may soon be introduced, with a stronger focus on energy transition, electric vehicles, and phasing out fossil fuel subsidies. Saudi Arabia's economic transformation continues to gain momentum, making headlines across the region and beyond.